Promoted our culture. He has been promoting our culture. Osha! Osha! Oja gongo. MBN go put on your shout.
Please, get it moving to the screen. So actually see the right here or four, please. Orisa today, please, can you please move in to the screen, please?
nǹkan ńláńlá ni a ṣe fẹ́ lọ wò ni wọ́n rí ọ̀fọ̀ àṣà ìṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ dáadáa ẹ̀ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé bọ̀dọ̀dún ò kì í disappoint. I need to go inside.
A round of applause for our people today. Thank you. And I want to really appreciate all the filmmakers in the building. Thank you. I don't want to be mentioning names. Thank you so much. Toyin, Hafiz Eniola, thank you so much. Been in all the cinemas from July 24th. If you love this movie and you enjoy yourself, please say hey! Thank you so much. Yes, very sorrow. Please put your hands together for me and the Thank you. Everyone, all we want you guys to do is go tell your friends, movie, repeat, cinemas, nationwide on the 24th of this month. About so far when you have one that we call the road, you will Odunlade to share to buy. Please put your hands together for Odunlade Adekola and smile. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, let me start from you putting your hands together for Odunlade Adekola. And thank you so much for casting the word in for this role. I said that was location is one of those roles I really enjoyed, showing, and I love it so much. And like Adekola said, we need to let people know, Adekola, we need to let people know that Orisa is out. Starting from 21st of July this month, the whole world must see Orisa. If you have seen this film and you enjoy it, tell another person to tell another person that Orisa will be showing. God bless you. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming. Toyin, please come and tell us what you see in Orisa. Adebayo in Okoro. God bless you.
So much. Thank you everyone. I'm appreciating you for that. So you guys should come out and celebrate. I'm so proud of my big brother, Femi, Oloworo One-year. Auntie Shabi, Auntie Adebayo, you know, they had Shabi, so you know, so you guys, we are so proud of you. We tell you, I'm so proud of everybody. Femi, I'm so proud of Odunlade. Hey, I don't know, don't make me leave you. So thank you guys. We'll see you at the cinemas from Friday. I'm Awara, Mama Shirita. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for loving us. Thank you so much for everything.
Oh, guys, please take your love.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good night. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.